In this example, we will be solving 5x minus 1 is equal to 8x plus 1. Solving simple equations requires us to make our unknown variable the subject of formula. In this example, our unknown variable is x. Making x the subject of formula requires us to have x on one side of the equal sign alone. My preference is the left-hand side. It is important to note that when a term moves across the equal sign, the operation of the term is reversed. So, positive become negative, negative become positive, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So solving my simple equation, I want all my x terms on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So 5x, my positive 8x will be going across the equal sign, so it becomes negative 8x is equal to positive 1 on the right-hand side of the equal sign, 1. I have negative 1 on the left hand of my equal sign and I want it to go across the equal sign, so it becomes positive 1. 5x minus 8x, that is equal to negative 3x. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. My x term is negative. I would like it to be positive, so I can multiply it by negative 1. But whatever I do on the left-hand side, I must do on the right-hand side. So negative 1 times negative 3x is equal to negative 1 times 2. Negative 1 times negative 3x, that is equal to positive 3x. And that is equal to negative 1 times positive 2, that is equal to negative 2. Here, 3 is multiplied to x. I want x alone on the left-hand side of my equal sign. So therefore, x is equal to negative 2 divided by 3. And we have just solved our simple equation. X is equal to negative 2 on 3. That is my answer. In this example, we will be solving 5x minus 3 times x minus 1 is equal to 39. Here we will be solving for our unknown variable x. So my first step is to expand my brackets using the distributive law. 5x minus 3 times x, that is equal to negative 3x, minus 3 times negative 1, that is equal to positive 3. That is equal to 39. Here we can simplify our like terms. So 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x, plus 3 is equal to 39. I want the x term alone on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So positive 3 on the left moving over to the right becomes 2x is equal to 39 minus 3. 2x is equal to 36. 2 is multiplied by x, and I want x on the left-hand side of the equal sign alone. Therefore, x is equal to 36 divided by 2. X is equal to 18. That is my answer. In this example, we will be solving 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 5 on 2. In this simple equation, we will be solving for our unknown algebraic variable x. I would use the distributive law to expand the brackets. Positive 2 times x, that is equal to 2x. Positive 2 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 2. And that is equal to 5 on 2. I would like to get the x term alone on the left-hand side of the equal sign. Therefore, 2x is equal to 5 on 2 plus 2. I can rewrite this as 2x is equal to 5 on 2 plus 2 on 1. For me to simplify the right-hand side of the equal sign, I need to add these two fractions. So 2x is equal to, the common denominator of 2 and 1 is 2. I take the numerator of my first fraction, 5, and I multiply this when I divide the denominator of my first fraction into the common denominator. 2 divided into 2, that is equal to 1, plus the numerator of my second fraction, 2. And I'm multiplying this when I divide the denominator of my second fraction into the common denominator. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Simplifying my right-hand side of the equal sign, 2x is equal to 5 times 1, that is equal to 5, plus 2 times 2, that is equal to 4, all over 2. 2x is equal to 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9 over 2. I would like the x term on the left-hand side alone. 2 is being multiplied by x. So x is equal to 9 over 2 divided by 2. But this is 2 over 1. So here I'm dividing two fractions. When dividing fractions, I flip my second fraction and change my division sign into a multiplication sign. Therefore, x is equal to 9 over 2. I flip my second fraction, 1 over 2, and I change my division sign into a multiplication sign. Multiplying fractions, we multiply our numerators and multiply our denominators. X is equal to 9 times 1 over 2 times 2. At this point, I look to see if I can simplify my fraction as much as possible. 9 and 2 have no common factors. Therefore, I'm left with x is equal to 9 times 1, that is equal to 9, over 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 9 and 4. We can change this improper fraction to a mixed number. X is equal to 4 into 9, that is equal to 2, with a remainder of 1 on 4. That is my answer. In this example, we will solve the following equation. 2x minus 1 on 2 minus x plus 5 on 3 is equal to 2. To find x, I need to subtract the two algebraic fractions on the left-hand side of my equal sign. Subtracting fractions, my first step is to find my common denominator. In this example, my common denominator will be equal to the product of my two denominators, 2 and 3. That is 6. I take the numerator of my first fraction, 2x minus 1, and I multiply this when I divide 2 into 6, 3, minus the numerator of my second fraction, x plus 5, times 3 into 6, that is equal to 2. Of course, this is equal to 2. I'm placing both my terms in square brackets when I use the distributive law to expand them to not confuse the terms. Using the distributive law to expand the terms in my numerator, 3 times 2x, that is equal to 6x. 3 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 3. Minus 2 times x, that is equal to 2x. 2 times 5, that is equal to positive 10. All over my common denominator of 6, and that is equal to 2. Removing my square brackets, 6x minus 3. Negative 1 times 2x, that is equal to negative 2x. Negative 1 times positive 10, that is equal to negative 10. All over 6 is equal to 2. Grouping my like terms, 6x minus 2x minus 3 minus 10 all over 6 is equal to 2. 6x minus 2x, that is equal to 4x, minus 3 minus 10, that is equal to negative 13. All over 6 is equal to 2. 4x minus 13 is being divided by 6. I will be moving 6 over the equal sign, so this is 4x minus 13 is equal to 2 times 6. 4x minus 13 is equal to 12. I will be moving minus 13 over the equal sign, so this is 4x is equal to 12 plus 13. 4x is equal to 25. X is being multiplied by 4, so I'll be moving it over the equal sign. Therefore, x is equal to 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4 is an improper fraction, so we can turn it into a mixed number. X is equal to 4 into 25, that is equal to 6, with a remainder of 1 over 4. So x is equal to 25 on 4 or x is equal to 6 and 1/4. That is my answer.